Welcome to our channel. In today video, we will explore the beautiful and create a garden ideas for your home. Whether you have a big backyard and small balcony or just little corner, you can make a garden that brings to peace, beauty, and freshness into your life. Let's begin. Why make garden at home? First of all, question in your mind. Gardening is the more than just growing plants. It is very relaxed to connect with the nature and make your home look beautiful. Even if you have small space and garden can add color, fragrance and freshness when you see green plants and colorful flowers, your mood is becomes better. The air becomes to cleaner and your home feel peaceful and gardening are not just for show they help the environment too. My video part of two the types of garden. There are many types of garden you can create. Here are a few common and easy ideas. Number one, flower gardening. This garden is full of colorful flowers like roses, marigold, jasmine, sunflowers, and more, and bring beautiful and attractive butterflies. Vertical garden you can growing tomatoes, chilies, spinach, and coriander, and many vegetables in pots of beds. Herbal garden growing herbs like mint, basil, lemongrass, and aloe vera. They are useful to cooking and health. Number three, vertical garden perfect for small spaces. Use walls and hanging planter to growing your plants to vertical. Indoor garden piece small pots of plants like snake plant, peace lily, and or money plant inside your home. These are easy to care for, look great. Balcony garden. If you live in a flat apartment, use your balcony to create a small but beautiful garden. Terrace garden, if you have a rooftop, turn into green paradise to large pots, flower beds, and sitting space. Best plants for beginners. If you are now gardening, start with easy plants. Here are some plants that growing easily and don't need much care. For example, many plant aloe vera, snake plant, tulsi, marigold, mint, and cicadas plants. Garden decoration ideas. Your garden does not only need plants, you can decorate your garden with these many creative things like small stone pots, hanging lights and fairy lights, clay pots to different colors to wooden benches to chair and birds feeder and bowls, mini fountains to water future, painted rocks to name tags for plant. Adding these items to make your garden look more artistic and cozy. How to start garden in small space. Use a pots container. You can even reuse old baskets, bottle or cans. Try vertical garden to use shelves and wall mounted planter. Growing herbs to your kitchen and windows. Small herbs don't need much space or sunlight. Make a hanging garden with these baskets, carom hanger using a reeling planter if you have a balcony track. Small gardens can also look the rich and green with the right planning and taking care of your garden is very important. Here are a few simple tips to water your plant regularly. Most plants need water once a day or every second day. Give proper sunlight. Some plants need fully sunlight, other growing well in shades. Remove dry to dead and leaves. This keeps your garden clean and helps to plant growing better. Using the natural compost fertilizer, you can make compost at the home using the vertical peels and dry and leaves. Check the insects pests using the neem oil spray and soap water to protect plant naturally. Clean your porch to garden tools. These steps is bacteria and fungus from harming your plants. And budget friendly gardening ideas. Gardening has not to be expensive. Here are some few tips save money. Use old container instead of buying a new pots, plastic bottles and all mugs, tin cans and all the reuse. Make dry compost for your home kitchen waste, and this will save money and help for plant growing. Exchange plants to cutting with the friend and neighbor. You can do not need to buy a new plant every time. You can on decorating using the stone and paint to waste wood, and gardening on budget and only fun, and but also you smart and growing vegetables and home. Growing your vegetable is the great idea. You don't need to farm, just a few posts and soil. Easy vegetables to growing at home: tomatoes, green, coriander and spinach and fenugreek and radish.